This is my Outcast Fat Cat float tube, and it has a fill valve here that kind of irritates me for filling. It's got this spring-loaded internal valve that you turn counterclockwise about a quarter turn that opens it up. Now you can attach the low pressure vacuum pump, or low pressure pump to it after inserting this filler nozzle, and we'll fill it to the low pressure. Now to disconnect it, you have to unscrew this, quickly reach in here and push down and turn this guy without losing pressure. To me, that's a pain. So we're going to try and modify the fill adapter here and see if we can make an improvement. Okay, now we're going to see where the top of that inner valve stem is when we're all the way open. And I hope you can see this, that it's below that blue washer. And again, I'll set it up for when it's closed. Now when the valve stem is closed at the distance of 1.740, this is where the top of the valve stem would be. And I guess what I'm trying to show here is that the distance occupied by this blue washer would be how I'm going to affect the modification. I'm going to take the blue washer off, and then I'm going to drill a hole all through both sides, and I'm going to find a nail and insert it in the hole at exactly the outer dimensions at that point in the fill valve, and then I'm going to put the washer back on, and hopefully when I push it down and turn it, it's going to open the valve. The thickness of that washer is 0.145. So I'll find a nail that's that dimension in diameter and use that for my cross channel connection that will push down on the inner valve and allow it to fill. It appears that this 12D casing, galvanized casing nail is the right diameter and will fit nicely in the groove in the fill valve. Okay, now the groove that the washer goes in is where I'm going to drill the hole, and its measurement is 0.673. So that's how long the piece of nail will be to go through this filler adapter. I'll put the gasket back on. That helps to hold the pin in, so it won't come out and get lost. Well, now we're ready for a test. So we want to have the valve be fully closed, then we put the adapter on it, and then I'll attach the air pump. Okay, now we're ready for the moment of truth. We've attached the low pressure blower and our adapter is in, so let's turn it on. We're just gonna turn and disconnect. And there's no air coming out, and we're almost full. So we have very few pumps to do on the last little high pressure pump, hand pump, to get us ready to go fishing.